Do you know how a mechanical keyboard works? Let me show you how. The switch is responsible for the mechanical feel. It consists of 4 parts. First is the stem. It gets pressed along the key. Second is the key housing. They are responsible for holding all the parts together. Third is the spring. It provides support to the stem. Fourth is the contact leaves. The one painted with gold, it is responsible for making the sound. When the stem is pressed, it pushes the contact leaf, which then hits the second contact leaf, thus producing the sound. This connection between them provides the electricity to pass through them. Hence, the key registers to the PCB.